Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting the new chapter, statistics. This is the first question. कि find the mean of the following data by direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. क्या करना है आपको? आपको कोई डाटा गिवन होगा, उसका आपने जो है तीनों मेथड से मीन निकालना है. डायरेक्ट मेथड इज देयर, स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड इज देयर एंड assumed mean मेथड इज देयर. तो फर्स्ट मेथड इज डायरेक्ट मेथड एंड दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन कि दिस यू आर गिवन, this you are given. With this white chalk. This is the question which is written by here. Class intervals are 0 to 10, the frequency is 10, 10 to 20, the frequency is 8, 20 to 30, the frequency is 6, 30 to 40, the frequency is 4, and 40 to 50, frequency is 2. So this is the question part from here to here. This is the question part. Now you have to draw the extra columns and extra row, which I am drawing with this red chalks. These extra columns you have to draw. आपने ये एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम इसमें बनाने हैं क्वेश्चन में, जिसको कि जो है मैं रेड कलर से बना रहा हूँ. इज इट देयर? ऑल दीज रेड कलर्स, दीज कॉलम्स you have to make extra. Is it okay? And this row also. This column of class marks, this column of fi into xi, and this row where I have written total and these things, this you have to make extra. ठीक है, ये आपको एक्स्ट्रा बनाना है. फर्स्ट थिंग, दिस वॉज गिवन क्लास इंटरवल, दिस कॉलम वॉज गिवन, this column of frequency was given. Frequency is written FIXI. FIXI means I is the number of interval. I जो है इसमें इंटरवल्स का नंबर है. सपोज मैं कहता हूँ फर्स्ट क्लास इंटरवल, तो दिस इज F1. F1 means frequency of first class interval is 10. If I write here to F2 means frequency of second class interval is 8. F3 means frequency of third class interval is 6. F4 means frequency of fourth class interval is 4. F5 means frequency of fifth class interval is 2. Now the next column जो कि मैंने नया बनाया है, you will write there class marks. Class marks. Class marks. What is class marks? Class marks is given by lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So just look here, what is the lower limit here? 0, and upper limit is 10. 0 plus 10 upon 2, which is 5. 10 plus 20, lower limit is 10, upper limit is 20. This will come 15. Similarly, 20 plus 30 upon 2, 25. 30 plus 40 upon 2, 35. And look at the fifth class interval. The lower limit is 40 and the upper limit is 50. We will add them. 40 plus 50, that is 90. 90 upon 2 is 45. 45. Now look at the last interval. FIXI, यानी अगर मैं I को 1 लूंगा तो क्या करूंगा? F1 मल्टीप्लाइड विद X1. F1 मीन्स frequency of first class interval. X1 is class marks of first class interval. So F1 X1 means F1 is 10 into 5 is equal to 50. F2 X2, अगर मैं I की जगह 2 रख दूँ तो this is F2 and this is X2. 8 into 15 122. F3 X3, F3 means 6, X3 means 25, that is 150. F4 X4, 4 into 35 140. F5 X5, 2 into 45, that is 90. Is it okay? तो ये सब मेरे को इन दो कॉलम में करना है. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द क्लास मार्क्स and then we will multiply the corresponding class mark to the corresponding frequency of the given class. Okay, xi is here and fi xi is here, and then we will write in this row which we have made extra at the bottom. We will write here total. उसमें आप इस कॉलम को ऐड करेंगे तो जस्ट लुक हियर 10 plus 8 18 24, 28 and 2 30, and this will be written with sigma f. This symbol is called sigma f, means in सब का total. Sigma fi you can also write. इन सब का total क्या होगा ये 30. This is written by sigma f. Similarly, अगर मैं इन सब का total करूंगा तो क्या लिखूंगा इसको sigma fx और sigma fix. Now add them. So just look here, 100, 0, 0, 0 is here, 9 and 4, 35, 18, 20, 25, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 550. Is it okay? What is here? This is the total of all these frequencies, that is denoted by sigma f or sigma fi. Sigma fi. Add them, you will get 30, and in the last column you will add this fixi. So we will write sigma fixi. You will add, this is 550. तो पहले ये टेबल बन जाएगी, and then there is the formula in the direct method. In the direct method, the mean x bar is given by sigma fixi upon sigma f. यानी ये वाला जो कॉलम है इसका जो टोटल आया है इसको हम इस वाले कॉलम के टोटल से डिवाइड कर लेंगे, दैट इज 550 अपॉन 30. तो व्हेन यू विल डिवाइड यू विल गेट 18.33. 18.33. इज इट ओके? नाउ द सेकंड वन इज assumed mean method. Same question I am taking, assumed mean method. So just look here, this was the question. Is it there? Is it there? Same question it is, and these are the extra columns drawn. Class marks. This is the class marks. Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So what we will get? 0 plus 10 upon 2, that is 5. Already we have solved here. Class marks of this will 15. Class marks of third class interval, that will be 25. Class marks of fourth class interval 35, and this is 45. Now this is the method assumed mean method. अब ये जो हमारे क्लास मार्क्स आए हैं ये xi, इनमें से हम किसी को भी एक मीन एज्यूम कर लेंगे, कोई भी नंबर इनमें से. यू कैन टेक 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. इनमें से आप किसी एक को भी जो है मीन एज्यूम कर लो. तो वी विल राइट हियर ए फॉर एज्यूम्ड मीन्स. ये मैंने क्या ले लिया आपका, ये मीन एज्यूम कर लिया. ओके, आप इस एक्स आई वाले कॉलम में से किसी भी नंबर को एज्यूम्ड मीन ले सकते हो, एंड यू विल राइट ए. ओके, नेक्स्ट कॉलम इज डी आई. व्हाट इज दिस डी आई? डी आई इज एक्स आई माइनस ए. एक्स आई माइनस ए. व्हाट इज डी आई? एक्स आई माइनस ए. 5 is the xi or a is 25. 5 minus 25 minus 20. Just look here. D2 will be this one, x2 minus a, 15 minus 25 minus 10. D3 means x3 minus a, that is 0. D4, x4 minus a, 35 minus 25, which is 10. D5, x5 minus a, 45 minus this, that is 20. This is di xi minus a. This di is called, di is D4 deviation. Deviation from mean. What is this di? ये मीन से डेविएशन है, ये मीन से डेविएशन है, ठीक है। क्लास मार्क्स का मीन से डेविएशन है। डी आई इज द डेविएशन फ्रॉम द मीन ऑफ क्लास मार्क्स। तो इज इट ओके? डी आई 1 मीन्स x1 minus a, 5 minus 25. D2 x2 minus a, 15 minus 25. And in this way we will complete this column. In the last column we will write fi di, yani f1 d1 in the first row, f2 d2 in the second, and so on. So just look here, the last column fi di. This is f is here 10 or di is here. So f1 is 10 and this is minus 20. 10 into minus 20, that is minus 200. Now this one f2 and this is d2. 8 into minus 10, minus 80. f3 d3. 6 into 0, which is 0. f4 d4. 10 4 ja 40. 5 d5. 22 ja 40. And in the last line we will write the total. In the last row we will write total, and we will total of this sigma fi. If you will add them, 10 and 8 18, 24, 28 and 30, and in the last column we will add them. So we will write sigma fi di. Sigma fi di. Add them. 200 is there, minus 200. This minus 80, 40 plus 40, 80, 80 minus 80 is 0. It will become minus 200. Minus 200. And this is the formula of mean in assumed mean method. A यानी assumed mean जो मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है, A plus sigma fi di upon fi. यानी 25 plus what is sigma fi di? Minus 200 upon 30. So this will become 25 plus in the bracket minus 6.666. You will add 25, open the bracket, plus minus become minus 6.666. This 6.66 we can write this 6.67. Approximate 666 will become 67. So 25 minus 6.67, and when you will subtract you will get 18.33. So just look at both the answers. Here is the answer in direct method is 18.33, and look at the answer in assumed mean method, that is also 18.33. 18.33. Now this is step deviation method. वही सेम क्वेश्चन है, तो हमने उसका मीन निकालना है स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड से. दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन. द क्लास इंटरवल्स आर गिवन 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, and the frequencies are given 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Is it okay? So this is our question part. These two columns, these class intervals and frequency. Now the extra column which we have to make, they are this one, class marks, which is denoted by xi. Then ui,
ui is xi minus a divided by class size. It is okay. Or last one is fi dot ui. So these are our extra columns. The first one class marks, the second one is ui, third one is fi dot ui, and one extra row we will make, that with of total. So in total we will add all these frequencies and we can write sigma fi, which is 30. Okay. Now coming to the class marks. The class marks is given by lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So what will happen of this? Just look at the lower limit of this class interval, that is 0, and this is 10. So 0 plus 10 upon 2. What is the class marks? Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. So 0 plus 10 upon 2, this will become 5. Similarly, we will add these two, 10 plus 20 or divided by 2, we will get 15. Again we will add these two, 20 plus 30, 50 it will become, and 50 upon 2 is 25. This will become 35 and this will become 45. Is it okay? How will we find the class marks? We will add the lower limit plus upper limit and divided by 2 for each class interval. So what is the class marks of first class interval? 5. The second class interval is 15. Class marks of third class interval is 25, then 35 and 45. Our next column is ui. Ui is xi. These are the xi's, 5, 15, this one. A is there, assumed means हम किसी भी नंबर को इनमें से जो है, जो आपके xi में है, इसको क्या है, एक मीन ले लेंगे, एक एज्यूम मीन लेके चलेंगे, किसी को भी ले सकते हैं हम इसमें. तो सपोज आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन, दिस 35 आई एम टेकिंग एज assumed mean. This is A. This is A. It's okay. This is our assumed mean in this question, A. So now I will find this ui. ui means here we will write u1, यानी पहले क्लास इंटरवल के लिए ui. तो just look at this calculation. Since ui is given by xi minus a upon class size. Class size. What is our class size? Class size is upper limit minus lower limit. Just see the class size. Here the class size, or you can say class width. Just look at each interval, that is 10 minus 0, 10 minus 0, or you can write 20 minus 10, etc., etc. So what is our class size? 10. Okay. Now here u1, we will find the value of u1, u2, u3, u4 and u5. Okay, u1, u2, u3, u4, u5. Now u1 u1 will be xi is there, xi, x1 minus a, and upon class size is 10. Is it okay? u2 will become x2 minus a upon 10. u3 will be x3 minus a upon 10. u4 will be x4 minus a upon 10. And u5 will be x5 minus a upon 10. a upon 10. Is it okay? So now just look here, put all the values. X1, what is our X1? Just see the class marks, this one, 5 minus A is 35, 5 minus 35 or divided by class size. How much? 5 minus 35? Minus 30 upon 3. This will become minus 3. U2, what is our X2? 15. 15 minus 35 upon 10. 15 minus 35, how much? Minus 20. Minus 20 upon 2. This is how much? Minus 2. X3, what is our X3? 25. 25 minus 35 upon 10. This will become minus 10 upon 10, which is how much? Minus 1. The next one, X4 is this one, 35, or A is 35 upon 10. 0 upon 10, that is 0. Is it there? X5 is 45 and this is our A. 45 minus 35 upon 10, that is 10 upon 10. 10 upon 10 is 1. So these are the calculations of UIs, U1, U2, U3, U3. Now put here, U1, how much it is? Minus 3. This is minus 2. This is minus 1. U4 is 0 and U5 is 1. Is it okay? Our last column is FIUI. Means if I take I here 1, so F1 U1, F2 U2. So what is F1 U1? 10 is here multiplied with minus 3. You will get minus 30. This is 8 F2 X2. 8 into minus 2. How much? Minus 16. Look at third one. 6. F1 is 6 and this is minus 1. 6 into minus 1 is equal to how much? 6. Look here, this is 4 into 0. 4 into 0, which is 0. And last one is 2 into 1. 2 into 1. This is 2. Okay. And in the last row, where we have written total, we will add them. So 10 and 8, 18, 6, 24, 28 and 2, 30. So sigma Fi is 30. And in the last column, we will add these FIUI. So we will add them. So what we will get? Just look here. Minus 30 and minus 16. Minus 46 minus how much? Minus 52 plus 2. That is minus 50. What will the total of all these numbers? Minus 30 and minus 16 is minus 46. Minus 46 and minus 6. Minus 52. Minus 52 and plus 0. Again minus 52 and plus 2. That is minus 50. So in this way, we will calculate all these columns. And then this formula, in the step deviation method, the mean is given by now the mean x bar is given by this assumed mean A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma f into class size. Class size. Is it okay? This is the formula in the step deviation method. What is that? Ki mean is equal to a plus sigma fi ui, which is here, divided by sigma f. It's okay, and into class size. So what is our class size? This one, 10. Class size is 10. Now put all the values. A, what was our a? What I have taken? 35. 35 plus, what is the value of sigma fi ui? That is minus 50. Minus 50. And sigma f was, just look here, that was 30. Okay, and multiplied with class size, that is 10. Is it there? What is sigma fi ui? Minus 50 and divided by sigma f, that is 30, and class size is our 10. So now multiply them. What you will get? 35. This 10. 10 1 is 10. 10 3 is 30. Okay. This will become 1 and this will become 3. So how much it is? 35 plus minus 50 upon 3 into 1. So this is how much? 35 minus this one, 10 1 is 1, and this is 10 3 is 30. 10 3 is 30. So this will become minus 50 upon 3. When I will calculate this, I will get 35 minus, just divided, 3, 16.666, and this will become 35 minus 16.67, approximate 0.666 can be written 16.67. Now subtract it. So this is 35 and this is 16.67. Is it okay? Now subtract these 3 and 18.33. 18.33. 18.33. So what is our mean? 18.33. So just look the answers. In the direct method, the mean of this data, that is also 18.33. In the assumed mean method, it was also 18.33. And now in this step deviation method, again it is 18.33. So in this way, we can calculate the mean by these 3 different methods, and you will get the equal answers in all the methods. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.